I grew up in the projects, in the hood, and I looked up to people who hustled, and these people who hustled was my family, was people who I admired because they was helping those around them. And I learned how to start looking for a plug so that way I can get some money and get on my feet. And you know what I realized through life as I went to prison and did a decade and got educated and got out and worked on different jobs and learned the game to be independent and started doing my own thing. You know what I realized? I didn't have to look for a plug anymore. I became a plug. The knowledge, the wisdom that I have now, I can teach you how to get a bag without being around me. You can spend some time with me and leave and make your own money. That's a plug. That's a boss. And that's what I got to offer. Hog on.